Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into your Amazon account. Make sure it's the account you want the balance on. Once signed in, find the e-gift code in the email or app message. It's usually a 16 to 20 character string. Then navigate to Account and Lists, select Gift Cards, and choose Redeem a Gift Card. Enter the code exactly, spacing or case can matter, and press Apply to add funds to your Amazon balance. Once your balance shows in Account Gift Cards, add the items you want and go to Checkout. You should see Payment Options. Select Use your Amazon balance as the payment method so the gift funds apply automatically. If the balance is insufficient, make sure to choose Split Payment and add a backup credit or debit card. This ensures the order completes without delay, and you'll see the applied gift amount in the order summary before you confirm. Confirm your order by reviewing the final summary. Verify the gift balance was deducted and the remaining total, if any. If the code fails, double-check each character, remove extra spaces, and confirm the code hasn't expired or been used. If you still see no balance after redeeming, make sure you're in the correct account and then contact Amazon support with the gift email and code details. They can restore missing balances or...
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.